Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video about this Volvo 220H loader. This loader is not starting, so now I am going to this starter side and I will try to start it directly from the starter. So if it is started, is good. If not started, then I will check why it is not starting. If the starter has a problem, then I will remove the starter. As you can see, this is my starter. So I'm going to start the machine directly by using this plier. So you can see the machine is not starting. So this starter is sparking. So I'm going to remove this starter and off the. So here you can see I have removed this my starter and off the camera because I not want to waste your time. So after it, I will dismantle this starter and off camera and I will show you what's the problem. So as you can see, I have dismantled this starter motor. So you can see this is too much rusty, but this one is a good one. There's no problem. I check it, but it's rusty. I will clean it. Good one. But problem, you can see this is upper part of this have a stator. It's also good one. Does not have any problem. But problem this starter solenoid. So what is the problem? This one I show you. So here you can see. Okay, this solenoid is a shorted. So due to shortage, this was not starting. So also saw when I try to start directly, it gave the spark. So this was the problem. Actually internally it is shortage. So I'm going to just only I will change this solenoid and my problem will solve. And also I clean this one. Okay, so this is too much rust inside, maybe water go inside, so I will clean it. But this everything is okay, just only this solenoid have the problem. Okay, here. So what I will do, I have this my old starter what is there, but this starter is not good, but I take only this solenoid. So this is same. Okay, this was the original and this is not original one, but this starter is this solenoid is a good one. So I will remove this solenoid from this starter and fix it here. Okay, to fix it here, and after I will check my starter is working. First I clean it, so in off camera I will clean it one and also fix this solenoid to here, and after I will check, and if my starter become good, then I fix back to my machine. So this problem was only this solenoid. So this solenoid has the problem, is burn, is shortage. I will replace the starter solenoid and also I will clean the rotor and off the camera for saving the time, because you people don't have the time. So after it, I will test my starter motor. So here's after replacing the starter solenoid and cleaning the rotor, I am testing the starters. You can see it's working good. So as you can see, after testing the starter motor outside, now it's working good. Now I have fixed it back. Now I'm going to start the engine.